big bass, boys.
Scoot back a little bit. Scoot back a little bit.
I'm in the camera, I'm good. That's a big bass. Oh, man. Oh. Big bass, boys. Big bass. I'm in the big smallie. Big smallie. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That's a huge fish. Look at it.
Remember, you ain't got to get right up to the video, but.
Oh, yeah.
What you got?
Look at that. First fish we just got here.
You ain't got to get so close, bud. Then tell them about it. Tell them what you did.
Caught it on the Zoom baby brush hog. As you can see, tore the bait up. This bass is probably about 2 pounds. Huge fish. Look at that. We'll let him go here.
You don't have your GoPro on. It just went in damp that time.
So much better not having to worry about your hands. Oh.
Back
Another
up,
big one.
back up. Get in the video. Oh, you don't even have that on?
I got it. Another good smallmouth. Yeah. He's not even hooked, or barely. All right, guys, second smallmouth here. Again on that baby brush hog. Another nice fish there. Just got here. We've been here about 10 minutes. First nice fish. We'll get him back. All right, guys. Here's what I'm using. I got a 1/16 ounce bullet weight here with a Zoom baby brush hog,
Kyle, you don't have to get so close.
like a green watermelon color.
Look at what I just caught on a rooster tail. Creek chub. Let me just get another one.
Oh, that's another good one. That's another good one, guys. Oh, that's... Not as big as the last ones, but still. Another good fish. These baby brush hogs, we've never used them here, but I'm telling you, they're working. Look at that. About 1.5, almost 2 pounds there. We'll get them back in the water. He's got one over there. Nice.
Nice one. Look at that one.
Awesome.
About 2 pounds.
You got another one over there. Is it big?
Yeah, nice.
Awesome.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Oh, bud, it's a nice one.
Dang. Awesome. Sweet.